Hello, welcome to Devlog, well, proper Devlog 5 for my game Project Harbinger. It's a VR narrative shooter, swinger, puzzles, stuff game. Cool. I'm gonna hop in now, and I'm just gonna show you all the changes, stuff like that I've made. And yeah, okay, let's go. So, straight away. Them. And that. Okay, so they're a new creature, which I haven't posted at all about in the Discord or anything, and there is now an effect for when you pull out weapons. They kind of disintegrate into existence. As for these guys, you can kill them, and they do drop something, but I'm not showing you that because it's not finished. The sword still works as it does, but again, it has that effect, and I need to fix it for that. I'm going to fix that in straight after I record this. Same thing with the gun, which I haven't finished either. On to the cool stuff over here. If we swing over, which I'm clearly very good at, you'll see these effects, and kaboom, enemies can now spawn. And this stands for if I let this guy kill me. They will all respawn. And so will that guy, who, again, I haven't explained. Let's get most of these guys killed. I need to lose a bit of health, though. There we go. Ignore the health thing. Oh, and also, the enemies now explode into a million pieces when they die, which is lovely. The gun now has something which I need to add a visual for. But if you shoot too many bullets too fast, you'll notice that I can't shoot for a second, and it kind of has that cooldown. Once you see smoke twice, you're kind of good to go again. But yeah, that's pretty much how that works. This guy is a new creature. He's lovely, and he's got a massive heart, because he's just that big. He has barely any AI right now. He just walks around, you can't kill him. Oh. He just kind of sits there. That doesn't matter, because I'll deal with that later. Health, as you saw, you can be damaged and die, so I added a little health box. This probably needs to be smaller, but it's fine. And what you do is you grab this plug, and you stick it in your hand, and as you can see, it refills. It should probably stop when the player hits 100 health, but I don't know, I'm lazy. As you can see, that was that little effect, and the sound effects for refilling your health. All good. Anything else I need to show off? I don't think so. So we're gonna head in here, and some of you might have seen this, but you can now teleport. I need to fix the rotation on that, and you will end up in my prototype area for the next level. I'm probably not going to do another devlog until I'm ready with a demo now. If you want to get little updates, join the Discord in the description. There's also a link to the itch page in the description if you want more information on the game. There's no demo out yet, but as soon as it is, it will be on the itch page too, along with an announcement. So if you just follow the itch page or follow my account on itch, then you should get updates for when that comes out. Like, subscribe, I'll see you later, bye.